Hey there, food lovers. Are you tired of soggy or overcooked vegetables? Do you struggle to find the perfect way to cook your veggies? Well, worry no more because I'm here to share some tips and tricks on how to cook perfect vegetables in just 5 minutes. First, it's important to choose the right cooking method for your vegetables. Heat and time can make a big difference in the texture and flavor of your veggies. Roasting, boiling, steaming, and sautéing are all great options, depending on the vegetable. Next, make sure you cut your vegetables to the right size. Small veggies like Brussels sprouts and asparagus cook faster than larger ones like potatoes and carrots. So, it's important to make sure they're all cut to a similar size so they'll cook evenly. Seasoning is also essential when it comes to cooking vegetables. Salt and pepper are great, but don't be afraid to experiment with other herbs and spices to add some flavor to your dish. Garlic, rosemary, dill, and lemon zest are all great options to bring out the natural flavors in your veggies. Another tip to keep in mind is to not overcook your vegetables. It's okay to have a little crunch in your veggies, and in fact, overcooking can cause them to lose their nutrients and become mushy. So, make sure you keep an eye on the clock and remove your veggies from heat once they're cooked to your desired texture. Lastly, don't forget to have fun while cooking your veggies. Experiment with different combinations and cooking methods to find your perfect dish. And, don't be afraid to get creative, add some nuts, cheese, or even fruits to make a unique and tasty dish. There you have it, folks. Some tips and tricks on how to cook perfect vegetables every time. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can get in on the fun too. And, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great cooking tips and ideas for your next meal.